One thing about me is I like to save money on the little things. If you say, hey Brooke, let's book a last minute trip to Los Angeles, I'm in. Will I be fitting all my stuff in a carry-on? Absolutely. Will I be bringing my own empty little comfort cup? Went through security with me empty. I filled it up at the bottle station, which also good for the environment. My bag was going to be like $40. This water probably would have cost $5. I'm also traveling for like 7 hours today. Probably would need like 3 of these. Do the math. Little things add up. So if you do want to travel a lot, which I am fortunate enough to, try to save on the little things. All of these costs alone could buy me another plane ticket.